Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a really exciting video. I'm going to be doing his makeup. We've been putting it off for a really long time, but it's like the girlfriend does boyfriend makeup challenge or whatever it's called, something like that. But I have a whole thing of makeup out and I'm really excited to do this.
I don't know what she's doing, guys.
I'm going to pretty much just do a go-to look that I always do. So I'm going to see how that comes out. We even got some falsies.
Oh my god.
I mean, these are like real baby ones, so not even that intense. So yeah, without further ado, we will get started. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I realized I'm barely gonna be in the frame, so this is all about him. So spotlight's on you, baby.
Yeah, excuse the hair. I'm trying to grow it out, so.
Okay, so first step is moisturizing the face. This is the title from Sunday Riley. This is one of your favorite moisturizers. Because I make him use my moisturizer every time.
I have to try not to look at the camera, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna do something to cover it up in a second.
I'm swimming.
Nice and moisturized. Okay, so then we're going to move on to primer. This is a No Problem Touch and Soul primer.
Oh shit.
It's like kind of feel like a little like silicone-y. It's gonna help smooth out your skin, love.
You're gonna have so much fun.
I know.
Ew. This is what it feels like every day?
You don't like it?
No, it's just like crazy. You gotta do all this stuff.
Yeah. So I'm choosing between like the Hello Flawless foundation and the ColourPop. But you can kind of do either or, and since I already did a video on this one, I'm just gonna do the Hello Flawless.
Is it gonna match my skin?
I should. We're kind of in the same shade. And if not, I mean, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna be using Morphe blender.
Oh shit. Don't test my face up, right, or something? Just leave it normal?
Yeah.
Why does it burn?
What's supposed to burn?
It's burning.
Like it hurts?
Oh, never mind.
Doesn't it kind of feel good?
It feels alright, it's just my body's like rejecting it.
Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to concealer. This is the Milk Makeup concealer.
I can't see myself, by the way, guys, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big reveal at the end. But
Look what?
never mind.
You want to open my eyes and look up or something?
No, it's okay.
What's this for?
This is just to conceal your under eye and also do a little highlighting.
I won't try to move, sorry.
Look up. Open your eyes. Look up.
Oh!
Look at the ceiling.
No, it's scary.
It's not.
Hey! You're gonna get my contact, dude.
No, I'm not.
I can feel it.
No, I'm not.
You are right there.
I can see it. I'm not
Dude,
going to.
I'm gonna freak out, man. Oh shit. Have some patience, woman. Open my eye?
Yeah, I look up at the ceiling again.
Oh!
This is like the most uncomfortable part, but after that.
Yeah, right. Mascara is gonna be the worst. Whatever that shit is. Eyeliner?
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, thank God.
I don't really wear it anymore.
You don't wear eyeliner?
Not that much.
Dude, you're wearing tons. I'm just kidding.
Okay, now I'm gonna set the face with a lot of Mercier loose powder.
Powder?
Yeah, we gotta set the makeup.
It's already there.
No, I know it's there, but like just so it doesn't move and stuff.
Oh, it ain't moving, girl. Do you usually do this?
Yes, I do this every time.
What that white powder thing you put on your face then?
That's baking. I'll do that after.
No, there's like this highlight thingy.
Well, that's later.
Oh my god.
Okay, so usually I would do like something for the lids, but I'm just gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know, it's super dirty.
Feel different.
Okay, close
What
your
is
eyes. Eyeshadow.
Dude, you said no eye stuff.
When did I say that?
Oh my god. What color, dude?
I said I'm gonna do like a natural one.
Dude.
Relax.
What color? You
It's
can't
just
tell
like
me?
a champagne like white color.
Oh.
Can't even see
Dude,
it.
you gotta go all out, man.
I think that's what you want.
No, you do whatever you want, baby. I'm just messing with you.
Okay.
I don't care what you do. Fucking this brush feels really small.
Because it is pretty small.
What about that big fat thing you do?
Well, I'm gonna do that after.
Oh.
I'm not in the...
You want me to turn?
No, it's okay.
Oh, this
My
is nice.
hand just like kind
Shake.
of...
Oh no, I'm digesting.
Oh, my back hurts. Okay.
Should I open my eyes?
Mm-hmm. I'm going with like this burgundy color.
It's crazy. It doesn't even feel like you're putting anything on there. Is it easier to do it on me or yourself? What do you think?
So,
Yourself?
oh yeah. They're like used to your eye shape and stuff. It definitely is in the way.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, like I'm like covering the damn screen.
And let me scoot this way. Yeah, if I scoot this way.
Doesn't really matter.
Oh!
What?
It's crazy. Like I had never felt nothing goes under there. So I just feel like something's gonna have to go in my eyeball. Oh. Now I have double eyelid. Dude, you are. You sure you're not in my eyeball?
I'm not.
Dude, you are like in the socket right now. Ah.
Dude, relax.
It just feels weird. Like.
I know.
What the fuck is this thing?
It's just.
Oh, Mose. No, Sugunya. Oh, Mamacita.
Stop. I just put a little bit of concealer because it came off.
That's a 40-year-old virgin reference. Oh, ¿cómo se llama?
Shall I go again?
Dude. That's so weird.
Okay. So now I'm gonna put these lashes on.
What?
Yeah. Babe, we didn't even put that much makeup on your eyes.
You're sweating.
I am. I know. It's
No.
so hot. It's so hot. Babe, I'm hot.
I know. Why are you wearing sweatpants? Why are you wearing those pants?
Well, I just thought I had to wear them for the video.
No, you should wear shorts.
Well, whatever. While I let these dry, I'm gonna contour your face using the Hoola bronzer.
Darn it, I can't see.
Yeah, I can't see that.
Do I need to suck in my cheeks?
Nope.
It's just natural, whatever my face bone is, whatever.
Mhm.
You put contour on the forehead?
Yeah, like right here, just down your face.
Really?
Yeah,
It's
dude.
crazy, dude. This is too much, man.
Yeah.
Still see it though. Whatever, it's fine. What do you call those people? Drag queen? Right?
Drag queens, yeah.
Very masculine features. I don't know, like Nikita?
Nikita Dragon.
Nikita.
Go ahead, run this side out, boy. Okay. Look up. Okay.
You got sweat on your lip too.
Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
Dude, I don't know how girls can see.
Okay. So ready? I'm gonna do a little bit of eyebrow stuff.
Wait, is this part of the makeup challenge?
What?
Do girls usually put lashes on their boyfriends?
Oh, it's doing their makeup, so yeah.
My eyebrows are perfect.
Well, I'm gonna add a little bit of color.
Just kidding. I'm getting your sweat.
Okay. Now, can you open your eyes, please? I'm gonna put some highlight, which you was waiting for.
I'm not waiting for shit.
Turn your head this way.
This is that sparkly shit?
Mm-hmm. It's the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter.
Why does it look brown? Oh, it's just like gold, like shiny.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yes, honey.
What?
Okay. Now just a little of a lip liner.
No.
Yes.
No, what the fuck?
Yes, you gotta finish it. Babe, you're doing great. Yeah, honestly, you look really pretty.
Dude, chill, man. Whoa! What is that?
It was lipstick.
Fuck!
Don't do that. Just do regular. Yeah, your lips are hella chapped.
Put me on blast, man.
Oh, that's... No, we smacked them together. Yeah. Never mind.
You're kissing these later tonight.
Oh, no, I'm not. Oh my god, smack them.
Bow, bow.
And just show off your face.
How?
Like,
What do girls do?
like going side to side. Other side. Okay, are you ready for the reveal? Are you ready for the reveal?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Let me see the camera. Let me see it.
No, okay, I'll read that. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah! What the fuck, bro? Dude, the lashes are crazy. Dude, my lips are chapped as
So chapped.
like freaking mountains. No, the skin looks good though.
Yeah, I know. So does your highlight.
What, this thing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This looks so weird. Put this shit up. You gotta add the music here. This is where you gotta add the music.
Look at you. You like your makeover?
It's alright.
See, it wasn't that bad.
No, I like the only thing I like is that my skin looks really clear.
Yeah.
But it looks too fake.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Alright,
Bye.
let's go them all.